Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset, but before that this one only works for Android device, so we can disable spatial audio. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and add the device list near to your main earbud. Click the information icon or settings icon. And here we have spatial audio. Try to disable this mode. It's not available for all Android devices, so you may have it, and also you cannot find this feature at the settings on your Apple device. And if you have the left earbud like a main, just click on it and disable it also. I recommend to disable it if you need this disconnected, as I did right now, as you can see, because with that you may have connection instability sometimes, so you need to try it at least. Then let's perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, close the case, and now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. We can check it in the Bluetooth. As you can see, no connection. After that, you just open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. It will automatically reconnect with your phone, and we have connection. Now check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to open Backbeat application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then go to the settings at the right top. Then scroll down and click Reset Settings. Then Reset Headset, and Reset Headset again. Now we need to wait until this update finished, not update, just reset, and then click Done. Now we need to reconnect your earbuds with your phone, and it will automatically reconnect it with the app. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and as you can see, it removed your earbuds. So if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. But I need to tap on it, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap on them, click pair, then it will ask you to pair the left earbud. So click pair, and we did it. As I said, it reconnect your earbuds with the application automatically. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!